In this video, I'll show you where to find the fuse boxes of your Nissan Sentra 2000 to 2006. The first one is in the driver footwell where the coin holder is. You just have to pull it out and there will be a sticker to inform you which fuses are which. The fuse boxes is right there. Now there is also another fuse box under the hood right beside the battery. Here the battery has been removed, so obviously there's nothing, but under this black cap you're gonna find the other fuse box. Unfortunately here there is no sticker informing you about the diagram, so I'll be posting this one. I suggest you pause the video so you take a better look. Thanks for watching, and please give a like and comment if this video was helpful.